I'm sleeping. Driving almost 2 hours.
Hello guys, so this is another day. So we have started our journey to Mumbai from Goa. So we have reached somewhere around somewhere in middle, like we have crossed Azra, okay, and we have halted here for one dinner. Okay, so welcome to this vlog. Beautiful view of the hotel. So we will be having a dinner and we will be moving from here. Here, everywhere there is cricketers like waiters. So waiters have actually wear the Indian cricket costume. You can see here. So we took a small coffee break. I drove it almost 2 hours continuously from 11 to 1 a.m. So we are having some coffee. Everybody is sleeping in the car. So I'm actually awake and driving. And actually I'm enjoying my ride because I can drive smoothly without any traffic. Actually night driving is actually good because whenever I was going to Pune or Mumbai, that time I was going very early, like we were leaving at almost 4 a.m. morning, but this time I experienced it differently, like we left at 7 p.m. evening and it was a very wonderful ride, I must say, because there is no traffic, absolutely no traffic. I can drive at 100 kilometers per hour speed without any tension. Better if we now don't take any break because it's 1 a.m. and Google Map is showing that in Virar we will be reaching at almost 11 a.m. So we'll not take any much break, at least for any bio break. So yeah, see you tomorrow morning. Bye.
Hi. Morning.
Good morning, she is driving and I am editing the vlog on the go. And this is a beautiful tunnel in Pune which we are going through. So enjoy the view till then. It's actually 4 a.m. in the morning. So yeah, it's actually official good morning. Okay, so good morning. It's almost 6:45 a.m. So we are very badly stuck in this Mumbai Express Highway, Pune Mumbai Express Highway. Finally, the block has been relieved. Oh my God! Here we go on the wrong side of the highway. There were some people who took volunteership to the owner of this block. So look how we are going now. From the wrong lane. finally escaped from the mystery tragedy. So we have halted for breakfast. So it's 9:45. So much time got wasted. So we are still in Pune only, somewhere in Pune, and we are doing breakfast. Lot of time got wasted in traveling because stuck off road.
I have done driving almost 2 hours, 2.5 hours.
So it's almost 10 minutes left for 10 a.m. and we are still in Pune.
So I will be reaching at around 4 p.m.
4 p.m.
Long journey.
It's a long journey.
I have taken coffee. He has taken
Tea. Today proper South Indian breakfast. So we have got an opportunity to see the restaurant kitchen tour. So here is the North Indian section. Here is the tandoor section. Then all the KOTs are managed over here. Someone manages this KOT and accordingly it is fixed. Hi. Hello. This is the main chef. What are you? Punjabi. Same thing as South Indian sir. Okay. ये पंजाबी सब इधर बनता है और ये इधर क्या बनता है चाइनीज तंदूर ये साउथ इंडियन का है सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट साउथ इंडियन
ये अपना संतोष है ना उर्दू वाले
हेलो
बेंगलुरु अबे रसाव
हाँ सब खाने बनाते हो
साउथ इंडियन बनाने वाले हैं
ओके अच्छा टेस्ट अच्छा है हमने आज साउथ इंडियन ही टेस्ट किया है चलो थैंक यू सर टूर देने के लिए
वहाँ में ज्यादा नॉनवेज चलता है
हाँ नॉनवेज चल रहा है लेकिन वेज भी चलता है बहुत वेज भी खाने वाले बहुत है चलाने वाले So the food was very good in this SPG Urpi hotel, okay, and also the ambience of the restaurant. How was the food of this SPG restaurant?
It was very nice and also the service is also good to come to visit.
Yes, if you are going to any chance if you are in Wakad, you can try this. Vishwanath Palace.
Okay.
Vishwanath Palace SPG Hotel.
PG Hotel.
SPG Hotel.
Very good.
It's in
South Indian
Wakad.
food. If you want to come, do visit.
Yes. Chalo, let's go to our journey right now in Mumbai. Chalo, now let's continue our journey to Mumbai. We will meet you wherever we will be in the next moment.
So we will meet at lunchtime. Let's see what we will try. We are planning to try Kolhapuri chicken masala.
Yes.
What is that? Pandra.
Let's try something
Down
Maharashtrian.
Maharashtra.
Let's try something Maharashtrian because as soon as we entered in Maharashtra, we got to eat the South Indian. So we need now Maharashtrian thing. Hello guys. We are in jungle. Ghat.
I am sleeping.
Guys, finally after long time the ghat has been over and something like this Nazariya has been got. This is train.
Chinchauli college, Chinchauli train.
We have reached Chinchauli. Chalo guys, we'll meet at you lunchtime.
Guys, bye guys. Bye.
Guys, see this building. Guys, we are having sugarcane juice. Chilled sugarcane.
I'm waiting for straw. We have reached Navi Mumbai. After so long period of time, we have reached. We are very tired, you can see, because of one of the road accident of one of the truck. We have to change
The route and we have to go extra 6
hours. Extra 6 hours.
So we are driving at almost
24
more
hours.
than 18 hours.
Yeah, almost.
So yesterday 7:30 p.m. we left from home and now it's 2:55 p.m. almost 3 p.m. So you can imagine how much we are driving. So finally some looks of Navi Mumbai. So guys, we are entering into Thane.
Sorry.
Welcome to Thane. Welcome to Thane. So the main reason was to leave early at 7 p.m. evening was we don't wanted to meet Thane traffic because as we were leaving early morning, we were reaching Thane at around 7 p.m. evening. So that time the huge traffic was observed and we were not able to move out early. So that's the reason we had planned to leave evening from home, but everything messed up as you know already. So but still we are lucky that there is not much traffic in Thane. So far so good.
So now we are entering into our society, the global city, the name of our society. It's very big. Let's have a look of that.
Hello. So I have reached in Mumbai Virar. So this is a global city over here. So what had happened is the route we had taken till Pune, Goa to Pune, and then I had taken Pune Mumbai expressway. So what had happened is the expressway was kind of stuck because the tanker was the accident of tanker was there. That's the reason the road was completely blocked. So luckily we have managed to escape from that route and we took another route from I think that Chinswali through Navi Mumbai. So we had to cover extra 6 hours to reach here. So our journey was at least I think 23 hours. So yesterday at 7:15. So yesterday at 7:15 we have left from home, and today at exactly 6:10 we have reached. So I am awake and I am driving for at least 23 hours. Yeah, she drove for 2.5 hours middle, but I'm completely tired right now. So that's it. We should wind up this vlog today. So whatever our journey happens in Mumbai, I will cover up in the next vlog. So if you watch till the here and if you like the vlog, please like, share, comment, and do subscribe to our channel. It's Goan Vibes with Swara Hill. So bye bye. Thank you for watching.